Hey there, welcome to Wealth Builder Central. Today we're exploring why net worth skyrockets after reaching $100,000. Let's dive in. One key reason is the incredible power of compound interest. This financial phenomenon allows your money to grow at an accelerating rate. Once you reach $100,000, your investments start to grow exponentially. This happens because you begin to earn interest, not just on your initial investment, but also on the interest that has already been added to it. Over time, this compounding effect can significantly increase your wealth, making your money work harder for you. Another reason is economies of scale. When you make larger investments, you often benefit from lower costs per unit. This means that the more you invest, the less it costs to produce each unit. As a result, your money can work more efficiently, generating higher returns. This efficiency can lead to significant savings and increased profitability over time, making your investments more powerful and effective. With $100,000, you can better diversify your portfolio across different asset classes, reducing risk and increasing potential returns. Effective investment strategies like dollar-cost averaging, growth investing, and dividend investing become more impactful as your investment grows, leading to greater wealth accumulation. Reaching $100,000 is a significant milestone. It represents your hard work, dedication, and smart financial decisions. This achievement allows your investments to grow exponentially through compound interest and diversified strategies. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please share it with friends and family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more tips from Wealth Builders Central.